Hi, good morning, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics teacher from SVEM School, Harinmarai Camp. Dear students, this is part 3 video for the 5th standard, second chapter, the 4 operations. Dear children, already we have discussed in our previous class addition of numbers. With that also, then which is larger, and with that also we have deal that place value chart for the numbers. These things we have studied. In our today class, we have to discuss about the second operation of mathematics, that is subtraction. That is we are going to be called as subtraction. Yes, let us we have to start the class. Second operation, that is subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers, you know that very well, dear children. Here you should remember, subtraction means it is the subtracting of small numbers from big number. It is the subtraction of small number from big number. Then give symbol of big number symbol to the difference. Suppose example 1 I will show you. Example 1. Suppose 231 minus 160. Here 231 and 160, these two 3-digit numbers subtract. 231 minus 160. Yes, 1 minus 0 means 1. Here 3 minus 6 can be subtract. No, it is not possible. That's why take carry from this two. That will be 13. 13 minus 6 means 7. Next year 1 is left out because these two gave 1 carry to the previous number. That's why this 1 reduces to, this 2 reduces to 1. 1 minus 1 0. That's why answer is 71. Answer is 71. Example 2, dear children. 4567 minus 3451. Here 4-digit number this is. 4567 minus 3451. Here these two numbers are 4-digit two numbers. Subtract. 4567 minus 3451. Subtract. 7 minus 1 means 6. 6 minus 5 means 1. 5 minus 4 means 1. 4 minus 3 means 1. Answer is 1116. Answer is how much, ma? Yes, its answer is 1116. Sorry, 1116. This is the answer. Example 3, dear children. Yes, 57,648 minus 4,666. This is 5-digit number. First number is 5-digit number. 57,648 minus 4,666. Yes, subtract. This is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Yes, 57,648 minus 4,666. Subtract. 8 minus 6 means 2. Then we cannot subtract 6 from 4. Take carry 1. That will be 14. 14 minus 6 means 8 is left out. 8 is left out. This 6 reduces to 5 because already it has given 1 carry to the previous number. That's why this reduces to 5. 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract. Take carry from this 7. That will be 15. 15 minus 6 means 9. 15 15 minus 6 means 9. Yes, 9. Then this 7 reduces to 6. 6 minus 4 means 2. 6 minus 4 means 2. Then 5 has this. Yes, dear children, answer is 52,982. This is the way of subtracting the numbers. Okay, few more examples. We have to discuss it. Example 4. Example 4, dear children. Example 4. Suppose 92,456 minus 10,657. Yes, see, this also 5-digit number. This also 5-digit number. Subtract 92,456 minus 10,657. Yes, here we cannot subtract this 7 from 6 because 6 is small number. Take carry 1 from beside number in front of that number. That will be 16. That will be 16. 16 minus 7 means 9. 9. This 5 reduces to 4 because given one carry to that number. That we cannot subtract that 4 minus 5. Take carry 1. That will be 4 will become 14. 14 minus 5 means 9 again. 14 minus 5 means 9. This 4 reduces to already one given a carry to the 5. That will become 30. Yes, that will become 3. Take carry 1 from this one. That will be 13. 13 minus 6 means 7. 7. This 2 reduces to 1. 1 minus 0 means 1 has this. Then 9 minus 1 means 8. 9 minus 1 means 8. Here answer is, dear children, 81,799 is the right answer. Let us see, dear children, example 5. Example 5 with simple topic. Simple. Suppose 5 minus 4. You know that very well. 1. 5 minus 4 means 1. If I write example 6, say 4 minus 5. What is your answer? Many of my students have doubt this one. 5 minus 4 means answer is 1. Because we are subtracting small number from big number. 5 minus 4 means 1. The symbol of big number is plus. This is plus. Here I didn't mention actually. Yes, that is, if any number does not have any symbol, there is always positive is there. Here 4 minus 5 we cannot subtract. We can subtract this 5 minus 4 means we have to subtract 4 from 5. Answer is 1, but symbol of 5, symbol of big number is minus. That answer is minus. Example 7, dear children. Suppose 9 minus 3. Answer is how much, ma? 9 minus 3. You know that very well. 6. If I write like that, 3 minus 9. Yes, generally we can subtract this small number from big number. 3. Yes, 9 minus 3. We have to subtract this 3 from 9. Answer is no doubt at all 6. But symbol of big number is minus. Answer is minus. I think this is clear, dear children. In my next class, I will take up as multiplications of numbers. Thanking you all. Bye.